Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled on Jamaica's enchanting northeast coast, Portland beckons with its breathtaking vistas and pristine beaches. This gem is bordered by St. Thomas to the southeast and St. Mary to the west, boasting a tapestry of natural wonders, including verdant vegetation, captivating caves, and meandering rivers. Anchored amidst this paradise is a thriving resort business spanning over 1.5 acres, minutes walking, and view of Long Bay Beach. Additionally, a prime parcel of 2 acres awaits, with approvals for further development and investment opportunities. Positioned strategically to harness the influx of traffic and commerce heading eastward, this presents a compelling chance to establish oneself ahead of the curve, ensuring operational readiness with the completion of the new road network. Long Bay, with its own stretch of pristine shoreline, is in proximity to renowned attractions such as the famed Boston Jerk and the idyllic Winifred Beach, adding allure to this exceptional offering. Seize the moment. Contact your agent to secure your viewing today. Please note that fixtures, fittings, and furnishings are not included but can be negotiated separately with the vendor for an additional price. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 3.9 million, Jamaican 615.3 million, Canadian 5.5 million, Euro 3.5 million, or 3 million pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.